Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees F. Whisk 3 large eggs with 2 tablespoons milk, salt, and pepper. Grease a shallow oven-safe dish, pour the mixture, and cover loosely with foil. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring gently halfway to create soft curds. Remove, let rest 1 minute, then serve warm with herbs or hot sauce. In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs air fryer. Crack 3 large eggs into a bowl and add 2 tablespoons milk, a pinch of salt, and a grind of pepper. Whisk until slightly frothy to incorporate air for fluffier curds. Prepare a greased, oven-safe dish that fits your air fryer and pour the mixture evenly. Cover loosely with foil to prevent drying and ensure even cooking throughout. In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs air fryer. Cook at 325 degrees F and check at 8 minutes, gently stirring once to form soft curds without overdoing them. If you prefer firmer eggs, add 1 to 2 minutes, but avoid drying out the eggs. Resting for 1 minute off heat helps carry over cooking and improves texture. Serve immediately with a sprinkle of chives, a pinch of salt, and your favorite condiment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.